What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, stamps.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, very much.
Do you watch movies?
Every weekend.
What's your favorite movie?
Titanic.
Do you know how to play chess?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you dance?
Only at parties.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I have some flowers.
Do you write a diary?
Yes, every night.
What languages do you want to learn?
Japanese and Korean.
Do you paint?
Yes, it relaxes me.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I want to visit many countries.
Do you like singing?
I sing karaoke with friends.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, it's fun and healthy.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
I prefer outdoor activities.